Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Youth of India is the storehouse of infinite energy. Their ability to take the risk for a change and solve problems makes them the most powerful. Such are these young innovators. These 4 young men made a unique technology in regenerative clutch system which regenerates electricity whenever the clutch pedal is used in the vehicle, and together, as a group of automobile enthusiasts, they call themselves Expect Innovations.
Hi everyone, my name is Vishnu. Along with me, I am having Bilal, Rahul and Madhusudan. Our startup name is Expect Innovations and our innovative technology is regenerative clutch system.
So a few years ago, we faced a problem. Actually, we came up with a problem that persists for a long time, and that is due to increasing traffic, increasing cars. The fuel wastage is a lot. And in traffic jams, we see in cities like Delhi, there are a lot of traffic jams, and during those traffic jams, a lot of fuel is wasted and a lot of time is consumed, and end of the day, it's end up having a huge energy loss that we face every day. So we came up with a solution that there is a way we can conserve all this energy, and we can use that energy later or for some other purposes. So with that thought in mind, we came up with a solution, regenerative clutch system.
They have designed a vehicle platform which has the capability to generate up to 25 kilowatt of electric power, which can be used to power army camps at difficult terrains and high altitudes where there is less electrical connectivity.
This hybrid vehicle, it can, in traffic jams, if you are driving it on petrol, it charges, and after the traffic jam is over, you can drive it on electric mode. Or the defense can use the technology, because our technology can also generate a huge amount of energies in real time. So which allows defense to power their camps, heavy equipments or weapon systems.
So these students who have brought this innovation on the regenerative clutch will not only have application in civilian sector in a big way, but also in defense sector. So in the defense sector, when you want to look at a high energy generation, so you can use this technology of the regenerative clutch over there as a generator. Similarly, in the civilian sector, you can also optimize the fuel consumption, particularly when you are idling in a signal, or whenever you are in a traffic jam.
To test their technology of regenerative clutch system, they created a successfully workable prototype vehicle.
जब हम इस पे काम कर रहे थे तो आप लोगों को पता होगा कि नैनो जो है वो रियर व्हील ड्राइव है, उसका जो इंजन है, पूरी इंजन असेंबली जो होती है वो पीछे होती है। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें इनकॉर्पोरेट करनी थी उस इंजन एरिया के अंदर, तो इसीलिए हमें क्या किया कि इंजन को उठा के हमने थोड़ा आगे की तरफ शिफ्ट किया, सो दैट जो हम टेक्नोलॉजी लगाना चाहते हैं वो हम वहाँ पे इनकॉर्पोरेट कर जाएं।
The best part of the whole thing is that these students are very, very motivated and they have passion for what they are creating. So the next day they came and they said, "Madam, what you told, we have done that already. We did it." I said, "Ek din mein, how did you manage?" "No, madam, we have done it. We were up whole night and we have done. We have made it." And I went to the lab. I saw they resolved the whole issue, and I was so happy. And that time I realized that these students, they are going to do something very, very. They are going to create something very good.
Financial support from the Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell and proper guidance from their mentors provided the impetus and paved the way to move forward with their idea.
पहली चीज़ थी प्रॉब्लम, फिर था सॉल्यूशन और फिर था ऑपरेशन। ये 3 स्टेप्स हमने सक्सेसफुली करे। उसके बाद एस्पेक्ट बचता है कंक्लूजन, आगे करना क्या है हमें। तो हमने सोचा कि एक एक्सपेक्ट इनोवेशंस करके हमने एक कंपनी खोली जिसमें हम इस गाड़ी को शोकेस कर रहे थे अपने क्लेम्स के, हम अपने क्लेम्स प्रूव कर रहे थे उसमें। और आगे जाके हमने सोचा कि इस गाड़ी को हम अकेले नहीं बना सकते, बट गवर्नमेंट ने हमें बहुत साथ दिया। हमें 9.5 लाख का फंड दिया AICTE ने, जिससे हमें बहुत मदद हुई ये पूरी ऑपरेशंस को हैंडल करने के लिए। इसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप था कि अब हम आगे क्या स्टेप लिया जाए, कि खुद प्रोडक्शन लाइन डाली जाए या फिर किसी के साथ चला जाए। तो हमने सोचा कि इसका जो पहला प्रोडक्ट एस्पेक्ट था वो था डिफेंस, क्योंकि डिफेंस में ऐसी इनोवेटिव चीज़ें बहुत अच्छी चलती हैं। तो हमने अलग अलग कंपनीज को अप्रोच करना शुरू करा और उन कंपनीज ने हमें बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक दिया। उससे हमें ये पता लगा कि हमें आगे क्या क्या करना चाहिए।
Young innovators have this unique ability to think at the intersection of business, consumer, and technology. And it is because of them that India is amongst the youngest, largest, and fastest growing economies.
Innovation can come from any quarter, from a small village. Try to encourage the student. We need to spend time with the student. These boys also, what they're doing, they are trying to create energy from the waste energy. So once you know the problem, then you can think of different ways of generating it.
India has begun to carve a path towards an enabling environment by establishing an ecosystem that fosters innovation. And innovators like these 4 young men are not just solving problems, but taking our country towards a better tomorrow.